Hello my lovely people, and welcome back again to my kitchen, another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. And today guys, I'm gonna be making these flat pancakes. They are thin and soft and easy to make, and also they are so delicious. So guys, stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making these pancakes. And of course niko na ingredients zenye nitakuwa natumia. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and hiyo tumeweka, and again we will be adding a 1/4 tablespoon of salt, ndio hiyo tunaweka guys. And on to the next thing, we are going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Hatutaki sukari mingi kwa hizo pancake zetu. And we are going to add an egg. Unaweza weka mayai 2, mayai 3 depending na zenye unapenda. Sipendi kusikia my pancake zikiwa na mayai mingi cause kuna venye sipendi taste ya mayai, so niliongeza just 1, and then nikakoroga my dough. Nataka zishikane zikuwe a thick butter. And lastly, I will be adding a glass of water. Sio yote, I will be adding gradually because I want my butter to be thin and soft. And guys, you can tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Kama wewe unapenda zile fluffy pancakes ama unapenda hizi zangu. So guys, after kuongeza maji nitakoroga. I make sure nimecombine everything together evenly so that I can get the best butter out of my ingredients, as you can see. And this recipe, it's very easy with the ingredients that are found at home. Easy, si expensive, ni vitu tu zenye uko nazo kwa nyumba guys. And go subscribe, watch and share my videos guys. I don't know whether you've subscribed or shared my video, honestly guys, and then mni support. And thank you so much for those who have been supporting me all through. Honestly, I don't take it for granted. Nyinyi ni wase wa nguvu, and let's grow together guys. And another thing, you go try this pancake. Nimemwambia mara ya pili, you go try this pancake and comment down below and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post, mtakuwa mkiona Sarah Kitchen asha post. And guys, we go back to business. My butter is ready, as you can see, and then I will be transferring it to somewhere else cause unaona hiyo bowl hata wewe haiwezi weza kumwaga your butter well. Haiwezi weza kumwaga your butter vizuri. That's why I exchange to that ka plastic liter. And then after that, the next thing tutakuwa tunaweka our butter kwa pan. As you can see, tumeka tu kidogo, and then we spread it evenly and you form your round shape, and isikuwe thick, ikuwe thin. If at all you want your pancake to be thin, you can add your butter anyway. After 3 to 4 minutes, that's when your pancake zinaanza kuform, zimekauka, and then utapindua the other side, and you will be adding a tablespoon of cooking oil. Like me, umeona nimeongeza my cooking oil. And then I will wait for my pancake to cook until it is golden brown. That's when I will flip to the other side. And then you're going to do the same to the rest of the pancake. Hii recipe ni simple, yenye tu una observe tu na macho yako. Hakuna kitu una need kuambiwa cause you can see what I'm doing, of course. And it is as simple as that, na breakfast yako iko ready within 30 minutes. Yeah, inaweza kuwa breakfast, lunch ama supper. It is just an idea. Maybe umekuja, umetoka job, umechoka, let me just make 2 pancake ama 3 pancake, and then I will find something else to accompany it with. And guys, you will have sorted your issues. And that is it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Go subscribe once again. When you are just subscribe, when you are watch but are just subscribe, just go subscribe. And then thank you so much. Tell me what you think in the comment section, ama uniambie chenye unataka mimi niwatengeneze next video. And I hope you are going to try this recipe. It is so addictive. Mimi nilipika 7 of them. Let me tell you, singengoja mpaka nipike something else. I just started eating like almost all of them na zilikuwa tamu sana. Nili have them for breakfast. So that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video and we see you in the next one. I love you guys. Bye. you.